Support for the Arkansas PBS Writers Contest is provided by the June Hose Williams Endowment.
Hi everyone. Today we're celebrating our Arkansas PBS Writers Contest winners. With us today, a first place winner from the 3rd grade, the great Isabella Posadas, with a story she wrote and illustrated called Lying Lizzy. Isabella is 9 years old and lives in Rogers, Arkansas. She enjoys the playground and loves reptiles of all kinds, especially lizards, as you'll see, but I won't spoil the surprise. Now introducing the great Isabella Posadas.
Hi, I'm Isabella Posadas, and today I'm going to be reading you Lying Lizzy. Once upon a time, there was a girl named Lizzy. She lied way too much. One time, she had her baby cousin over to babysit. She lied that her mom had a new baby. Another time, she stole a cookie from the cookie jar. When her mom said to wait until after dinner, she lied that she didn't eat one when her mom asked. Another time, she sneaked a chocolate and blamed her brother. What? You see, she lied way too much. It was a regular day. Lizzy was at the park with her family. She was about to swing when something caught her eye. An adorable little lizard. She picked it up and hid it under her shirt. It was time to leave. As they all got into the car, her mom asked, "Lizzy, what's that in your shirt?" You guessed it, Lizzy lied. Nothing. On the way home, Lizzy snuck the last piece of bubble gum. Her mom noticed, "Hey, who took the last piece of gum?" Lizzy said, "Not me." Instead of telling the truth, she blamed her sister. In the exact moment of her lie, something strange happened. Her hand started to turn green. Huh? The next day, she lied again, and in that exact moment, her tongue came out like a lizard. The next day, she lied again. This time, her skin started to feel rough and scaly. Every time she tried to talk, her tongue would come out like a lizard. She thought, every time I lie, something weird happens to me. I think I will stop telling lies. So she stopped telling lies, and something amazing happened. Her hands, skin, and tongue all returned to normal. So she told the truth to everyone and said, "I'm sorry." But then the lizard found Lizzy's sister, who loved to tell lies. Don't forget, if a girl lies, a lizard could find you. The end.
Isabella, I absolutely love your story. It's really good.
Thanks.
I was shocked when she was lying. But I was really, really shocked when Lizzy turned into a lizard. That is so scary. Has that happened to you or any of your friends? Has that happened before?
No.
No? So what was your inspiration for the story?
Well, I just knew lying is wrong, so there's gotta be a consequence.
Yeah.
And that just little lie can make something huge.
Right. Spiral out of control. Maybe turn you into a lizard. Well, thank you for sharing Lying Lizzy with us. It was an awesome story. Would you like to join me and play with everybody else on the playground?
Sure.
Awesome. But you have to help me stay away from lizards if we see any lizards, okay? As soon as I see any, I'm running. Are you sure? Yeah. Okay. Gosh, Isabella, you're flying.